Everyone who starts loves the place.
Good bit of banter.
No, they're all canny. Nearly every day you get to try something new that you might not have done before. The work that we do here is like a really important part of connecting the world together, really, with trenches and rods and the new E-rods and all the cabins, like power cabins, control cabins.
There's not many places you can ever go and play with big robots.
You get a wide variation of work to do, but a lot of it is bespoke.
I've got clients at the moment working side by side with me, getting feedback from them as well, what they want from their vehicles and how they want customised.
And it's the way that we can have such advanced, innovative technologies, really.
Panel wiring is what I call an art form because it's quite different to your normal domestics. That type of background is absolutely brilliant if you have got it.
You need to be able to confidently interpret all the drawings. It's a job for the future. You know, there's always going to be stuff going on in here.
Where we've came from hydraulic ROVs 20, 30 years ago to now.
We've just full power tested the electric ROV.
The world's now turning to sustainability and net zero.
I've been here 15 years. Fantastic place to work. We work together as a team from the office to the workshop floor. It's absolutely brilliant.
Training wise, I've had loads of different training on HV, all your cranes, forklifts, hydraulics.
Free lunch is definitely a big plus.
Oh, everyone loves Karen and Don's food. It's one of these things where you don't see a lot of these vehicles around. It's something you can show off.
You know, I've grown up in the area, being able to say that I work here, innovating and making a difference, and definitely something that I can be proud of.